Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Temecula, California, where they have a total of 16 superchargers. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Let me give you my initial impressions of the superchargers and the surrounding area. Initial thoughts. First thought, you're right off of Winchester Parkway. There's another supercharger within the shopping center, deep within the shopping center, around the corner, and it's indoors, but this one is the outdoor Temecula Supercharger right off of Winchester. That's my first thought. There's a lot of superchargers around here. Initial feelings, nothing outstanding. We've been here before. This looks to be like a big outlet, big box parking lot. You've got your Party City. There's a Nordstrom rack, so if you want to do a little bit of big shopping over here, you can do that while you charge. Initial concerns, you're in Temecula, so this is a very safe part of Temecula during the daytime and evening, because right behind you on the superchargers is Winchester Parkway, Winchester Road, I forgot which one it was. So there's a lot of traffic right behind you, a lot of people very active. Thanks a lot. Please keep supporting the channel by hitting the like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. Thanks a lot, and hang tight for the guest review.
This supercharger is actually my favorite. It's right close to my house, so if I need to charge real quick or shop in the area, we're at a plaza right now, and so it's my favorite one. And there's a lot of close ones actually nearby as well, so it's really convenient if I need to do a quick charge and then get to where I'm going. There's, like I said, there's a lot of little eateries in this plaza. There's grocery shopping that you can do, like a quick run if you want, grab a bite to eat, go to Party City, which is actually right in front of me right here. So little errands that you could do. So it's, again, really convenient. Well, there's actually McDonald's right behind me, I believe. And then I think there's a Wild Roots over there. They've got some fresh organic sandwiches that you could have. So wide variety of choice. Yeah.
Now, this place didn't have a supercharger. Would you still come back to this parking lot?
No.
How come?
Well, I just, two birds in one stone, you know? I'd like to charge and I'd like to get my errands done if I have any. And if there wasn't a supercharger, I'd go to a place with a supercharger. So.
Now, do you drive your Tesla Model 3 a lot?
Every day.
Now, what's the furthest road trip you've taken your Model 3?
San Diego, like right by the border.
How many times did you have to charge your vehicle between here in Temecula and San Diego?
Once. Yeah, round trip.
How was the ride?
Smooth, comfortable, and honestly, really, really comfortable. Compared to my SUV that I had, I love Tesla. Love it.
Now, do you plan on keeping your Tesla for a long time, or are you just trying it out?
Honestly, we bought it to try it out. We're gonna keep it for a long time. Probably get a Model Y, a bigger one as well. So.
Since you plan on keeping it for a while, if you had to replace the battery in the very far future, hopefully, how much would you be willing to pay to replace your car battery?
Yeah, so it's kind of a strategic thing that my husband and I are doing. So we used to have a regular internal combustion engine, a Toyota Sequoia. So, you know, the prices that we would pay for oil changes, we're actually just putting it aside little by little every month. Yeah, we're not really too worried about the cost. If it's upwards of $5,000 6 years from now or so, we're okay with that.
All right, thank you so much for your time, Janelle. You know what? Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Get a Tesla. Get a Tesla.
Simple enough. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm not used to this. Yeah.
Remove the hat?
Take it off?
Yeah,
okay,
because the shadow is just so stark.
Yeah, that's what makes me laugh.